Hi everyone, I am Mustafa. Someone you know that my previous video were in Turkish. Now after this time, as far as I can, I will try to create the new content in English. Now what will I do in this video? Okay, let's start. How to download files as a zip file in Mendix. Let's look at the demo. As you see, I have three files here. When I click here, it will be downloaded. And when I click go to the inside the zip file, I will see my files here. Yes, downloaded just only one zip file, and inside all my files will be here. And also zip file will be named current date time in this video. Of course, you can give any name, whatever you want. Now let's go to the Mendix Pro and let's start development. Yes, friends, I created an app in Mendix 1017, and also I created a new model here. Uh, and I will share this model with you, and also you can find the download link in the video description. And also there is a Java action here. I developed this one before. I will share all of them. For that reason, there is no problem. Just I will show how can we use this Java action. Now let's go to the domain model. Okay, I will create an entity. My files I will give. Yeah, my files. And generation, I will go to the file document and OK. Now I will create page, right click and generate our page. OK. OK, let's go to the new edit and no need this and just upload will be enough for me. That's OK. Let's go to the overview and I will copy this one, paste here. Download files. Okay. Download. Okay. I will choose one and macro flow. AC. Download files. That's okay. Just I will some change style changing. This one light large, left large, and large. That's okay. Okay. Let's go to the macro flow. Let's call all documentation, retrieve, and my files. Okay. And let's create an object. Why will I create this object? Uh, just I will tell you. This is the files. Just let me. This is the files which I will download. This one is the temporary file. This is the zip. This will be the zip file. After download, it will be deleted because I won't commit this one. Name, what will be? As I said to you, I will use the content time. So to string and current date time and plus unzip. Okay, this is my zip file name. After downloaded, delete the file true. That's okay. Now These are my files. This is the zip file name and zip file configuration, I can say. Okay, now Java, call Java, and we will call this Java action. Now, here is the list documentation, which one I want to download, and this is the zip file. Object name variable, what is a zip file will be enough for me. Zip file, that's okay. Okay, my zip file is ready and also with the documentation. After that, I will create a new activity, download file, and I will select the zip file. That's okay. Now I will go to navigation and I will test this one. Now zip file, zip will be enough. Show page. Okay, what did I do? Show page. Yes. And my files overview. That's okay. Okay, I can run it now. Okay, I will go to the web app. Now click the zip. I don't have any file for that reason. I will upload files here. This one, save. Okay, randomly I am adding. Save, and also one more. That's okay. I have three files, as you see. Now I will download all these files. Click here, as you see, downloaded and current date time. And as you see, my files downloaded here. Yeah. If you want, I can click here, delete all of them. This you can see better now. Okay, as you see, downloaded and my files. And let's go to the development. Click here. Yes, I want to filter some data. If you want, you can use, of course, different scenarios. Now I will filter this one. Filter, for example, filter by expression. I will select. Now select size, current object, and size bigger than, okay, 500. Okay, okay. And I will change the list now. I will select a new my list. That's okay. I will now it run now. I will go to here. As you see, here's the size volume. These are the bytes, not kilobytes. These are the bytes. When I click the download, and as you know, I changed the microflow. I added the filter. For that reason, just will be downloaded two files. This won't be downloaded because of the smaller than 500. Okay, download. Okay, let's open. Yeah, as you see, two files downloaded in zip. Okay, that's all for me. I hope it will be helpful for you. See you next videos.